To install IKEA table, we need level.
Aluminium thickness 1 and 5 millimeters. Spirit level with powerful magnets.
Yeah, we bought it in a local store €9. I think it's a lot of expensive, but it will be okay.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
First, I want to see if the magnets are very powerful.
No, so powerful. Okay, unpack it.
Wow.
Industrial. Look.
Yeah.
Industrial.
With magnets.
With magnets and again.
Oh, here are the magnets.
Here are the magnets.
Can I please try it?
Yeah, you can.
With magnets.
I think it's not too straight.
And I think so.
To install table, we need a table part and a level. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, I need help from my hero here. 1, 2, 3. Stop. I need precision guidance. Like this. Start it. All 4 holes we need.
Okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Ta-dam! Ta-dam! We have 4 holes to drill.
Yeah.
We must have this bubble like this, and it will be straight. Maybe straight, yeah?
Yeah.
The bubble is here, and we will and here and here.